Hello everyone, I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and creative. And so for today's quick tips, what we're going to do is talk about how to draw the eye naturally. And for my second point, oh, thank you, Manny, for reminding me. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, you are.
Right. So Manny just gave me this. Remember, we are giving Zoom classes, painting classes. If you'd like more information, check the email below. Thank you. I think that will do, Manny. Okay, so what happens most of the time with my students, brand new students, is when they draw the face, they always make the eyes like this. Almost always. And of course, that doesn't look naturally. So how can we fix it? Let's see. All right, here we have our eye. And as you notice, we see the whole iris. But as we said, this person looks scared or surprised. So what we need to do is lower the upper eyelid. Let's do that. I have found that generally about I would say about maybe 15 to 20% of the eye is covered by the eyelid in most circumstances. So let's do that. Now, depending on where you let the eyelid fall, will change the mood of the person. The person may look relaxed, or if you put it real low, he may look sleepy. So you adjust it to what you want to get out of it. We'll drop a little bit of the shadow here, because the eyelid usually does cast a little bit of a shadow. And that's it. See, it looks more natural now. So remember, don't show the whole iris. I hope you enjoyed this quick tips. And if you like, please share it with someone else. Or if you have not as of yet, please subscribe. Thank you.